You can control $20,000 worth of blue-chip stock for just $4,000, and it's completely legal. If you buy 100 shares of a $200 stock, you pay $20,000. But with a deep in-the-money leap option, you control that same equity for roughly $4,000. You get nearly identical profit potential for a fraction of the capital. The secret engine here is delta. We specifically target options with a delta of 0.80 or higher. This means for every single dollar the stock price goes up, your option gains 80 cents, closely mimicking actual stock ownership. But here is the trap that wipes out beginners. Leverage works both ways. If the stock drops just 10%, stock owners lose 10%. But because you used less capital, that same drop destroys 50% of your leap's value immediately. To survive, you must calculate effective leverage before every trade. Most platforms hide this number. If this formula results in a number higher than 4, you are taking on too much risk for a long-term hold. Here is the golden rule for safety. Buy at least 12 months out, target 80 delta, and ensure your effective leverage is roughly 2 to 3 times. This gives you the power of a hedge fund with the staying power of an investor. Master the leverage, and you master the market.